Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to cover guys Xiaomi phone setting. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you check your device name in your Xiaomi phone. Guys, you want to check your device name in your Xiaomi phone, so you can check. And guys, now let's see how to check device name in our Xiaomi phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to check your device name. So guys, open phone setting guys. So guys, you can see this type of settings. So guys, first of all guys, you can see your about phone setting. So guys, click on about phone setting. Guys, you can see your device name. So guys, tap here. So after click here guys, you can see your device name is Xiaomi phone. So you can check your phone device name in your Xiaomi phone to open your phone setting guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to check device name in a Xiaomi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will return guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.